Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Dubey and today I'm going to show you how to update name server in GoDaddy. It's very simple. Just simply go to your GoDaddy account. Now just click on sign in and here click on sign in and I already have signed in and just go to your domain name. So here I'm going to manage domains. Click here on manage domain and you have to find your domain. That one is my domain name. So just I want to update the name server of my this domain. So just click on this three dots and here you will find manage DNS and just click on manage DNS. And now here you will see name server. Just click on change and here by default option is default, right, like this. We have to select custom if you have another hosting, like if I have a domain name from GoDaddy and I have hosted my website in another server like Bluehost and another, so I have to update my name server in GoDaddy, right? So here is my name server. I have updated in this name server. If you have more than four or if you have more two, we have to click on just add name server here and you can copy and paste your name server here, right? And just delete this one and just click on save option, right? And your name server will be updated. It takes time something 8 hours to 24 hours to update, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.